How to fix could not call proc error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the program as administrator. Some applications require elevated permissions to execute certain procedures correctly. Running the program as an administrator may resolve the could not call proc error. Fix 2. Run the application in compatibility mode. If the error appears after a Windows update or when running older software, forcing compatibility mode may help. Corrupted system files can interfere with applications and cause runtime errors like could not call proc. Running a system scan can help repair missing or damaged files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.